the power of a toothbrush is more than you know. So I bought a cheap toothbrush and I thought it was just as good as a pricier one. I was wrong. You do pay for what you get. This is the Sonicare by Philips. I've had it now for 2 days and my teeth have never felt cleaner, but the way that the bristles move with the movements here, two different modes, and it feels like it gets in between my teeth and it really hugs my molars, because I feel like that is where, if I ever get a cavity, it's usually like in a crevice or a groove of my molar. So I don't think my other toothbrush was doing a good enough job, and I really appreciate taking care of my teeth. So having a good toothbrush is important. I only wish that this one came with a carrying case, a travel case. That would be nice. It does come with a head traveling case. And I could just throw this in like any bag that I have. I have plenty of bags, but just love this. It's a great price. It's a middle of the runner, not like the hundreds of dollars. So I really appreciate this one. Charges fast, comes with this charger. And yeah, highly recommend. You want to make sure you don't skimp on your teeth. Teeth are very expensive, so make sure you invest in a good toothbrush that's going to be gentle yet effective on them. And this one, my teeth haven't felt so good since I got this. So definitely a good buy. I can feel a difference. I can taste a difference. Get it now.